Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The RJR Gleaner Cross Country Invasion 2020 kicked off this morning with a thrilling launch event to celebrate our island, our village. The Kingston launch was held at the St. William Grant Park in downtown Kingston and included exciting performances from some of the artists who will be featured on the road shows. Patrons are interacting with the sponsors and the media personalities who are all out for the cross-country initiative. Take a look at some of the highlights from this exceptional launch.
For the launch of the RJR Gleaner Cross Country Invasion, Cal's is showcasing our Cal's hot and spicy mackerel. So we did some mackerel fritters, we cooked up some mackerel. We have our Cal's corned beef, which was cooked up as well, and we served that with fried dumplings. Now we can't leave out our fruit flavored syrup, so we have snow cones. So we have snow cones serving as well. But come tonight now when we get into the party mood, we have our Real Vibes party wine, so we turn that up for the party time.
There were energetic performances from top artists like Beanie Man, Munga Honorable, Ching Ching the Angel, and of course Kevin Downswell.
Live your lives, every night we into your every night the bride. Live your lives, no Messiah. Jamaica, what's that?
Why not any bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out and run and be a class. Why me wanna lick up for me and go on a class? Girl them sexy, them me clothes them shut. Wanna like me style, tell a boy.
Right now, we not the gotta feel it every
Don't call it self-defense. Stop, don't say it. Cause a boy like we not mad. I'm searching. Oh, oh, oh. Say, won't stop tonight. You.
The artists were honored to be part of the cross-country invasion lineup.
Well, I'm always a part of it from Jump Street. So, yeah, it's never, you know, without TVJ in a badness here, and without RTV in a badness notice here, and without the radio station in a badness here. So, cross-country, worldwide thing. So, anything them do, you have to support them, because, yeah.
It's truly an honor. I'm excited. A while ago I was talking to Duffy, and he was saying the last time I was on the tour, people didn't want to perform after me, and I'm saying to him, you know, that's what it is when you meet people. When you meet people in different scenarios, different situations, and that's what the cross-country tour is about.
The cross-country also invaded Turtle River Park in Ocho Rios earlier today as Daytime Live and RETV treated patrons to roots, rock and reggae with performances from Iba Mar, Jesse Royal and Dre Island, plus many more. The cross-country invasion launch 2020 will climax tonight at Ken's Wildflower in Portmore starting at 9 p.m. The event will see the likes of artists Jadange, Tansa, and of course Miss Money-O herself, Maca Diamond. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. Now remember to look out for cross-country in a town near you. We'll be on the road. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.